Give us your best one.
my dad would still cuss me now for doing it.
Kyle, on a match day, what's your perfect game day plate?
I'm not really a big eater on a match day. It's always the night before. So the night before, pastas and carbohydrates.
And then what's one OG product from Grace that you can't live without?
I'd say on a day off, I'd have to go for the seasoning, the jerk seasoning. Give my food a little bit of spice to it.
And then now, if we're talking about Jamaican phrases, obviously growing up in a Jamaica household now, what's one phrase that if the ref calls the wrong call, that you would use?
We wasn't allowed to cuss in our house, but I think a kiss of the teeth was a standard one if you weren't happy with a decision.
Give us your best one.
my dad would still cuss me now for doing it. So I'm gonna be polite on this one.
You'll be polite on this one. That's good. Oh yeah, it was fire.
Very nice.